Welcome to Spyder Auto Video LED Tail Light Installation Guide for the 2013 to 2015 Volkswagen Golf MK7. Here are tools needed to prepare for the installation. Ratchet with 8mm hex socket. Panel popper or flathead screwdriver. Open the tailgate and let's begin. Peel back the trunk liner flip. Remove thumb screw securing the outer tail light. Repeat the same steps to remove the other side factory outer tail light. Pull the factory outer tail light out. Disconnect the factory outer tail light harness. Connect the Spyder LED outer tail light socket. Put the Spyder LED outer tail light in place. Reinstall thumb screw securing the Spyder LED outer tail light. Remove two trim covers on the tailgate. Remove two 8mm hex nuts securing factory inner tail light. Disconnect factory tail light socket. Repeat the same steps to remove other side factory inner tail light. Remove both factory inner tail light from the tailgate. Locate the Spyder inner tail light and put it in place. Connect Spyder inner tail light socket. Reinstall two 8mm hex nuts securing the Spyder inner tail light. Reinstall tail light trim cover on the tailgate. Close the tailgate and the installation completed. Congratulations, you have just installed your Spyder Auto LED tail light onto your 2013 to 2015 Volkswagen Golf MK7. Please make sure to check all electrical connections and light functions before take your vehicle back on the road. Thank you for choosing Spyder Auto Installation Video to assist you. For more products and information, please visit www.spyderauto.com.